Dito naman tayo guys sa Kia.
Kia.
Yan. Ano nga yan, Zion? Alam ni Zion yan eh. Kia na? Alright, so yun guys, pasok tayo dito. Tingnan natin, no? Pero magpapaalam din tayo, baka bawal eh.
restrictions. Ang ganda ng
Ito, ganda rin na to. Electric to.
o kaya,
Oh, electric eh.
ang tawag sa kanya?
I want.
EV9.
Ah, EV9.
na sila eh.
Oh.
Let's go.
So, pasok tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano mga model nila dito. Alam ko lang dito, Sportage.
Sorrento, Kona.
Ano yan? Sorrento.
Tama ba? Dito
Yan.
ba yan?
Tingnan natin. Guys, so ito yung itong section na to parang EV to lahat eh. Yan. Pero wala siyang mga presyo dito sa harap no. EV6 to. Ganda, no? Gwapo din, no? Electric. Ito naman Nitro EV. Sayang wala mga presyo no, para at least malaman sana natin agad kung magkano siya. Yan. Galing no. So hintayin lang natin yung mag-ina ko at si Zion ay nag-washroom na naman. Yan. Ganda na to oh. EV6. EV9. Kakaiba yung handle niya oh. Wow. Ganda ng info system niya. And ano rin oh. Malaki din siya. Tapos syempre sunroof. Ang ganda, no? Actually guys, no, paganda ng paganda yung Kia at saka Hyundai. Kakaiba na yung mga design nila. Sa likod. Ano pala to? 7-seater pala to. Ayos din ah. Upo nga tayo. Pumaluwag. Okay din naman guys, no? Medyo malaki pa rin naman yung sa paanan natin. Yan. Tapos sunroof. Pero hindi tayo dito eh. Napadaan lang ako dito sa EV na to eh. Kasi nga kailangan ko hintayin sila Emma. So doon tayo sa kabilang side. Yeah.
That's the nice one. It's
Osmo Pocket 3.
Three?
Yeah,
Pocket 3, that's
Pocket 3.
true.
Yeah.
I just bought a Action 6. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty nice.
You're doing vlog also?
No, I just like do vacation baby.
Oh yeah.
Like for myself.
Yeah, for memories.
For memories.
Yeah.
My name's you, by the way.
Yeah. I'm Alwin.
Alwin?
Yeah.
Emma.
Emma. Nice meeting you guys.
And
Yes.
your?
You, just white you.
You.
You, okay. Okay, you.
It's too short. You.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you.
just white you.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is
So this is
hybrid?
Sorrento.
Plug-in hybrid.
Plug-in hybrid.
Okay.
This is a 7-seater?
6-seater. Can fit
Ah,
6
6.
people in it.
Okay. So
So, do you have in mind like how much it is?
I think this one's like around.
sa Sorrento. So hybrid daw ito, guys. Ganda rin, ha?
But this is nice because it's 6-seater.
How much?
53.54.
Oh.
But do you have like ongoing solutions for financing?
That would be on the gasoline version of this one.
Oh,
Sportage.
Yeah, but not here.
Not for this one. This one's pretty low, but there is like a 90 days no payments.
Oh.
So for the interest rate, how much?
I think around 5%.
Okay.
The Sportage, the promotion for this month, it starts at 1.99%.
Okay, that's nice.
1.99. Wow.
It is Sportage. Ang ganda lang.
Yeah.
Are you guys looking for like a family car or?
It depends on the price, of course.
Yeah. If we can fit the budget and it has like bigger space, then why not?
Do you have What do you call Carnival?
We don't.
Oh my.
Oh.
We do have one income.
I see.
Really?
Yeah, they Carnival sell pretty quick.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
usually don't have anything in stock.
Uh-huh.
People are reserving them before they even arrive.
Mm.
So we have 2 carnivals incoming available. They're estimated to arrive like the end of this month.
How much
Okay.
for that one?
There's like there's like a fully loaded one selling for 63,
Okay.
and there's like a middle trim level selling for like around 59.
Yeah,
Oh,
50
okay.
plus.
Oh, nice.
Sportage.
This is the Spartan.
It starts at 40. So for all-wheel drive.
Yeah. This is the nice color.
This one is a fully loaded one. Around 51.
So, Sportage. Fully loaded daw to guys, Sportage. Ganda ng kulay niya, ano? Actually guys, nung naghahanap ako ng sasakyan nung unang-una, ito yung parang naano ko, nagustuhan ko, Sportage. Ayan. Wow, galing ha. Naka-memory seat pala to. Ayan, so ito yung kanyang info system, haba, no? Ganyan. Nice. Tapos, sunroof din siya. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda rin. Iba-iba rin yung ano talaga ng Sportage.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Ang ganda rin ng one.
Ganda. Magkano raw to?
How much is this one? 51.
Taas din. 51.
But it's like 1.99%, right?
Starts at 1.9. But depends on your approval as well.
Oh.
Is that one financed?
Yes. it's
Yeah.
financed. So, can affect.
Yeah, if you finance a car before,
Uh-huh.
it's easier.
Ganda.
Does it
Ganda.
go all the way there? Or no, that's the end.
Pero ito kasi fully loaded to. But this is not hybrid, right?
It's just gasoline.
Gasoline. Nice.
Second car.
So ito naman guys, Seltos.
How
Liit. Ayan. Ito kasi parang ni-research din ni Emma to Seltos. Ayan. Oh, no. This is all-wheel drive? Oh. Okay, so to check din ni Emma.
This one's a fully loaded one, selling for 43.
43. Okay.
very compact.
Yes.
Like,
This is 43.
Huh?
43.
Oh, sabi niya 33.
43?
Ay, siguro starting ng base.
Oh, kasi fully loaded to eh.
Ah.
Hmm. So Carnival is how much for the interest rate?
It's like 5.99 to 6.9.
So, you know,
Too high?
Did you buy the Santa Fe used or new?
Almost new. That's pre-on. I bought that
4,000.
one is 4,000
Okay,
kilometers
so
only. Ganda rin ah. Cute lang. Liit.
para sa akin lang eh.
43.
Ano to, hybrid?
No.
Kasi ba- ano
This is not, this is hybrid? No.
No, this
Oh, this is gasoline.
gasoline.
What? They're not close na. Okay, come on.
Paano yung mga safety nito? Para ikaw magtanong.
So for the safety, for this one, safety feature. So any it has a 360 camera.
No, this one doesn't have.
Ah,
What
okay.
trim level is your Santa Fe? It's like the
Prepared. That's prepared.
preferred.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, lane keep assist, lane
Yeah.
centering assist, those are the same.
Okay.
I would say safety wise, this one is very similar to yours, but it has adaptive cruise control.
Mm-hmm.
Yours probably doesn't.
I have.
Oh, you have the adaptive. So safety wise, very similar.
Mm,
It doesn't have the 360 camera.
okay.
The Sportage fully loaded one you have.
Ah, okay. Okay. Of course.
EV9.
How much would they even know?
EV9 is for all-wheel drive. It starts at 68, but interest rate is very low.
How much? How much for the
It's like
interest?
1.99%.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, what are the features like if we can compare that to Tesla? Because I think it's just it has the same price as
It
Tesla.
basically compares with Tesla Model Y.
Yeah,
It's so
Model
much
Y.
bigger.
Like this one?
The silver one.
Okay, so what's that? What they call it?
EV9.
EV9.
Okay, much bigger. How many seaters?
There's 7.
7.
Wow.
Oh,
Ganda, no?
So much bigger,
EV7.
more features.
How much again for the interest? 1 point.
1.99%. And same price to Model Y. That's why it sells so well, because it's so
Oh,
much
really?
bigger. The Model Y, the third row, you cannot fit anybody.
Yeah.
This one you can fit like adults.
Like, what's the warranty for the battery?
Yeah, for the what? So for the
8
battery. 8
8
years. Okay, that's good. 8 years or how many kilometers?
150.
Ah, okay. For the Tesla, it's 180. Yeah. But this one is nice. Yeah.
If you're looking for a big car, this is probably the one.
Yeah, so
This is
pretty low.
68 and that one
That's a performance version.
for this one.
okay, I was
It's
just
like more horsepower.
Oh.
It's like 500 horsepower.
So for the battery, how many kilometers?
You can go up to 550 kilometers.
550.
It's a full charge.
Nice.
But you do have to make sure you have the 220 volts to 240 volts plug.
Yeah.
And you guys live in a house, right?
Sorry?
You guys live in a house or apartment?
Townhouse. Yeah,
Townhouse,
townhouse.
right? And you have a garage?
no, just a
Parking pad.
pad.
It's a parking pad.
Oh, yeah, so
Maybe a little bit inconvenience because you have to charge the car.
Yeah.
you just need a like place to charge it.
Pero ang ganda, no?
Laki. Pang forma talaga to eh.
Grabe. Kapresyo ng Tesla.
Model Y.
Model Y. No, Model Y 66. Yeah.
Within the range.
So this one's like $2,000 more, lower interest rate, way bigger,
Yeah.
more features.
So how much for bi-weekly for this one?
Probably looking closer to like 400 something with $0
No, I mean, like, how many years is like the payment?
Max-
84 months.
That's the maximum.
Yes, you can go 96 as well.
Yeah, that's
but,
too much.
Oh yeah.
but there's no like, if you go 96, interest rate is much higher.
Oh,
Doesn't
I
make
see.
sense,
Oh, I
right?
see.
So payment might be even higher than 84 months.
Okay.
Sayang.
Nice. Ganda, no? EV9.
Over
Ganda.
here. Over here. This
Gas
one
savings.
Mm.
I can show you on my computer.
Yeah, sure. See, come on, let's go. Yeah. So, ito guys.
Please follow
Ang
me.
maganda dito sa EV9 na to, ang interest rate niya is 2%. Let's say 2%. So, ang ganda. So, syempre, tipid ka sa gas. Pero kapresyo niya, di Tesla. Ayan. So, siguro ang pinakaiba nito sa Tesla, walang full self-drive.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so yun, no? Tapos na tayo makipag-usap kay you. Ang dali tandaan, YU. Yun. Alright. It's another day. Yan.
Yan.
So, yun, no? Ang maganda dito yung Sportage nila ay 2%. Pero up to 4.99. So, depende raw yun sa ano mo.
Ilang months?
Sa, pagka hanggang 60 months,
1.9.
is 1.99. Pag lumampas ka na doon, yun na yung papalo na yung 4.99. Ayan, so maraming pumapasok sa isip namin ni Emma. Pero yeah, wala pa naman.
Yeah,
Hindi
but
pa
we're
rin
happy.
talaga.
At least nakita namin yung Kia kasi isa rin yan sa mga okay na brands yan. Kia, Hyundai,
Okay naman, oo.
Honda, and Toyota. Ayan, kaya tabi-tabi sila. So, meron pa ditong Nissan, pero pagod na kami. Siguro sa ibang araw na lang yun bibisitahin. Malapit lang din naman to sa bahay. No? Kasi dito sa area namin, tabi-tabi talaga yung dealership. So, Kia, Ford, Chrysler, Hyundai, tas Nissan. Yan. Sabi nga ni Yu, andito yung mga malalaki talagang mga dealership sa South Trail.
Kaya sabi niya pa nga, kung may tanong daw kami sa Hyundai, siya rin daw kasi nga isa lang naman ng ano niyan eh.
May-ari.
Oo.
Oo. They also own Hyundai.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys. No? Ang grabe, ang daming magagandang cars. ang daming bago, hindi mo na malaman, parang ma-overwhelm ka eh. Ang daming mga EV, hybrid. Pero yun nga, shinare sa amin ni Yu na dati daw, grabe, ang daming orders ng hybrid. Pero ngayong mga later na, nagbabalikan na yung mga tao daw sa gasolina per him. Yan kasi daw, yung like maintenance along the way kapag hybrid is more expensive than yung nga, yung kapag gasoline lang yung car. Kasi syempre, although nakakatipid ka initially sa hybrid nga kasi yung gas mo lesser compared sa gasoline na pure na car. Pero along the way kasi pag wala ka na sa warranty or outside warranty na yon, doon na yung mga problems lalabas, tapos mas mahal daw yung bayad sa mga hybrid cars. So yun din, yung nangyari sa kakilala ko. Yan, na kaya niya pinalitan na yung hybrid kasi nai-stress siya daw sa battery ng hybrid na Hyundai niya. Yan. So, 'di ba? At least na may mga 'di ba, personal experiences tayong nalalaman na hindi automatic na hybrid okay na, better na siya sa gasoline car. So, pwede pa rin talaga i-consider yung pros and cons ng bawat isa. Ayun guys, no? Yan. Another vlog na naman Kia. Yan. Pero, yan, tama na muna tayo at magpahinga na tayo ngayong araw. Ayan, at least naka-visit sa dealership ng Kia for today. Alright guys, so maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa aming vlog for today. Yun guys, we'll see you again on the next one. Peace!